Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor, has just over 600 hours on it. It's a very clean unit, has the 12x12 power reverser, also has a loader joystick, so adding a loader can easily be done. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. If you are looking for a loader, again, it does have the mid joystick with the hookups right here. You can easily add a loader. You can contact us and see about loader availability. We do have loaders available from time to time. I do have some scuffs here in this fender right here. Tires are good. Has a rear work light on it. Rear remote back here. 540E PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. Has the stabilizer bars. Very nice, very clean tractor. Got the two steps up on to get up on the operator platform. 3 ranges here to the left of the seat, 4 gears over there to the right, and then you have a power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Also, there's your loader joystick, and then your 3-point and hydraulic outlet levers there to the right, and then your PTO and hand throttle up top there, along with the cup holder. This is the updated operator station. They changed that late 2017 into 18, so it does have the updated operator station, which is just a little bit nicer than the older tractors. Also does have the factory warranty until April of 2023. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, you can visit us on the web, contact us on the web, or give us a call. We certainly can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us.